To start this video off, I really just want to say thank you to the Kirk family, Tiny Master, Donnie Bishop, just anybody and everybody that's been involved, hands on, just bringing this track back to life, helping the whole entire community bring this place back. Everybody in the whole state has wanted this place open. It's been open before as Twin Branch, still needed a lot of work. Some stuff happened. It's now under the ownership of the Kirks. And I personally think that they have done a absolutely amazing turnaround on this place. It is just a completely brand new place. If you've never been, I highly suggest you go check it out. Um, it has like one of the best views you'll ever see, honestly. It's actually crazy, but I'll let you get back to the video.
Are covered for checkups, vaccines, dentist visits,
Tower,
and more.
Sage Lanes, brand new port bodies just got arrived last night.
To renew every year.
Brand new timing system. Paved return road. Got Donnie out of retirement. Front wheel drive cane. Irvin, Larry, Buddy. Got the Bishops. God, I love those neons. Larry Adams. That's a deadly man right there. Don't underestimate that car. Oh, that's crap. I remember the name of it. A lot of nice ones. A lot of nice ones. They're Deadpool. Got Cunningham right there. See, that's Barry Joel in the 6th gen. You got a quick little car. Just saw his time. He ain't lying to nobody. This is my buddy Rex Ferguson. Hit him up if you need any type of welding, fabrication services. He showed me a picture of a gate that he had just built for a man, and honest to God, it was amazing. They don't give a fuck. Don't worry, it's just me popping back in again. I just want to take a second to brag on Billy, whose car this is, Billy Crockett. He also cleans injectors and makes stickers. But this man has been non-stop working on this car and finally got to make him a good solid 8th mile pass in it. Just wanted to say proud of you, man. been a few passes. There's Jimbo's car. Well, Jimbo. But the owner said that so far an hour ago there was over 1,000 people that came through the booth, counting from the tickets. So that's not bad. That was my good buddy Philip again. Also, just wanted to kind of say that, when you see the Trans Am, it is a fresh build. We've had like 2 weekends worth of just 300-foot passes at 52 Dragway. And this was our first time running 8th Mile. We had went to KD the weekend before, and sadly it got rained out. But we just kind of threw a simple tune-up that we was guessing was going to be like a 630 pass. Just put it in, put the weight in the car, and just hoped it went down. Oh God. I love these two right here. The left one is John Boy. Love you to death. Larry Adams on the right. Love him to death. That car is consistent. We unfortunately did not put enough nitrous in John Boy's car. We didn't know that it was going to take this much on the new converter setup that he has. But next time that you see the car out, it will be on kill. Oh, fuck, Larry. Ah, they. Yeah, I know. It's me. I'm back again. This is us in the finals with Hillbilly Hustle, also known as Kevin, the driver. Very cool guy. We ended up agreeing on a 70-30 split. The pot was 22.50, so it seemed about fair. He drove like 2 hours. Um, yeah, he's just a really nice guy though. That was all of the videos that I'd got to take from Mayhem on the Mountain. As I said, if you've never been, you should go next time. Absolutely. Also, they're going to have a Lee Bryce concert, so that's pretty cool. Um, this coming weekend, July 26th at 52 Dragway in Fort Gay, West Virginia. They're also going to have an O-Prep. Come down, try your luck in 300 foot. See if you can do it or not. Love you. Bye.
this rod goes through there. As you can see over there, it broke. Slap off.